What's up, everybody? D back with another reaction video with D Reacts to Music. Today we're going to be checking out Third Eye Blind, Semi-Charmed Life. This is released in 1997, and taking a peek at the Wikipedia, kind of had a really long beginning, I guess, to the song even coming to fruition, because this is a song that was written way before the band was even put together, and they had to go through all kinds of, legal things to get the rights to certain riffs in the music and things from, the band's prior dealings. And the premise of the song is about, coming of age, and it has to do with the hate lifestyle. And that's Haight, the San Francisco area, Haight-Ashbury. And, coming of age, coming out of, being done with school and realizing that life is, it's about to hit you, dead on, and it's not really reliable. And, also it said in the Wikipedia that it was inspired when they witnessed a group of friends that were doing crystal meth at a Primus concert. So that's kind of weird, but let's check it out.
She live and she go, then she lives for me. Says she lives for me, ovation, her own motivation. She comes round and she goes down on me, and I'll make you smile like a drug for you. Do ever what you wanna do, coming over you. Keep on smiling what we go through. One stop to the rhythm that divides you, and I speak to you like the chorus to the verse. Drop another line like a coda with the curse. Coming like a freak show takes the stage. We give them the game she plays. She say, I want something semi-charmed kind of life, baby, I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye. The sky was gold, it was rose. I was taking sips of it to my nose, and I wish I could get back there, someplace back there, smiling in the pictures you would take. I'm gonna lift you up until you break, it won't stop. I won't come down and keep stop with the tick-tock rhythm. I bumped for the drop and then I bumped up. I took the hit that I was given, then I bumped again, then I bumped again.
Hey everybody, let's take a break from the reactions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying this content, if you're enjoying this video. We also wanted you to check out the description down below. We have a few other channels for you to check out. We have D Reacts to Music, D Reacts to Movies and TV shows, D Reacts to Everything Else, and D Off Grid if you want to see how I'm living out here in the woods. Now let's get back into it.
How do I get back there to the place where I fell asleep inside you? How do I get myself back to the place where you said I want something else to get me through this semi-charmed kind of life, baby, I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye. I believe in the sand beneath my toes. The beach gives a feeling, an earthly feeling. I believe in the faith that grows, and the full-line chords can make me cry. When I'm with you, I feel like I could die, and that would be alright, alright. And when the plane came in, she said she was crossing the velvet ribbons in the sea. We tripped on the earth to feel alive, and now I'm struggling to survive those days you were wearing that velvet dress. You're the priestess, I must confess. Those little red panties, they passed the test. Let's look around the belly, face down on the mattress. I want something else to get me through this life, baby, I want something else. Not listening when you say.
This is one of those songs too where it's like on the outside you're like, it's not gonna hit, whatever, but you can't help but like it. It's so catchy. have it. Third Eye Blind, Semi-Charmed Life, 1997. Man, I never saw the video till right now. I've heard the song before a gazillion times, probably in music. In movies and commercials, something. I know that. I never actually downloaded it or, bought one of their albums. But like I said before, it's one of those songs that, from the outside, you kind of think that it's not going to be, something you're going to be into. And then you start listening to it and you're like, man, that shit slumps. So it's got the good guitar in there. And oh boy can, hit them lyrics with that guitar at the same time. I'm always impressed by that. I know it's like, something they all do, but being able to wrap your head around all that. And then, to address all the things that everybody goes through when they hit their 20s, the realization that, oh, school's done. Finally, I'm out. And then you realize, oh, what does that mean? So, they were able to pull that off in the song as well. And then, a little bit of a flashback there to the 90s in San Francisco. And I don't know. I mean, they said it was something that they got inspiration from, seeing friends using drugs at a concert, but it was kind of more of an uplifting song really to me than it was kind of a downer. But let me know what you think about this song. Let me know what you think about the lyrics, and let me know if you know what happened to this band, because they kind of seem to have just like faded away and don't know what happened to them. Till next time, see you.